So hello, my name is Ayush Yadav. I am from Civil Department BTech 4-year course and my roll number is 21CE10013 and I am from IIT Kharagpur. Today I am going to disassemble this mouse. So as you can see, it is working. And we have to first unscrew the screws. So we have unscrewed it perfectly. As you can see, we have the mouse rotator here. Right click, left click, and here's the light sensor which detects the light. Let's remove it also. As you can see, we have perfectly disassembled it. Here we can see that it has different pieces. This is light refractor which reflects the light coming from the platform it is placed on. In here, this case, it is this mat. And we have a LED light here and a light receiver. As you can see, this is a light receiver which receives the light reflecting from the reflector coming back to the mouse. We have cursor here, roller here, the right click and the left click, and it works by the light reflector here. The LED light sends light and it gets reflected by the light reflector, which is received by the light receiver here, and then it also converts the data into binary form, which is easy for the computer to understand. We have the power cable here, and for the rotor, as you here we have the rotor here. It is also removed. We have the rotor here. It is connected to this, which observes when it is which sends signal to the computer when it is rotated. And this is all we have in a mouse. Now we will again assemble it cleanly. Oh, forgot light initiator. So this was our disassembling of the mouse, and you can see it is still working perfectly. So thanks for your attention.